Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using first hyphen child in CSS selectors. This concept of using first hyphen child in CSS selectors I've covered in detail with practical demonstration in the previous session of this course. So refer to that previous session, and with knowledge, you can come back to this session to do this assignment. So as part of this assignment, you need to solve this challenge that I have given here on this sample application page. Let me explain this challenge for you so that with proper instructions, you can do this assignment or solve this assignment. So for solving this assignment, you need to go to the sample application page, that is omayo.blogspot.com. So once you are taken to this page, you need to locate the first list item. Okay. So you can see this order list, right? There are one, two listed. There are a lot of list items, like there are around 6 list items. In that, you need to locate the first list item with the help of or by using first hyphen child in CSS selectors. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.